Hello there, and thank you for choosing BitAffix. In this video, we'll guide you through the user management process within BitAffix, accessible only to admin users. Let's dive in. To manage users in BitAffix, navigate to the Settings section, which is available to admin users only. Before creating a new user, ensure you have defined at least one group. Groups are essential, because each user must be assigned to at least one group. For assistance in creating a group, refer to the Group section Help. In the User section, click on the plus icon to add a new user. In the User section, you'll find 4 tabs: General, Profile, Groups, and Email. General. Fill in the required information such as user ID, email, password, and confirm password. Choose the user type Basic or Advanced. Basic users are business users who work on apps, tasks, and document archiving. Advanced users are technical users who develop processes for business users, but do not input data. You'll see 8 checkboxes, each with unique functions. Activate or inactivate the user account. If unchecked, the account becomes inaccessible. Multiple wrong attempts can lock the account, which you can reactivate using this option. Disable a user account to prevent login without deleting it. The user becomes inactive and cannot log on until you enable the account again. Sign in shows the user sign in or out status. Keep it unchecked when opening a new account. It checks automatically based on status. Lock the user account, either manually or due to wrong attempts. User cannot change password, prevents the user from changing their password. User must change password next login, forces the user to change their password upon next login. Allow uncontrolled tags, allows the user to add their own metadata tags in document archiving. Allow mobile login, permits mobile access. Business hours section. Choose the default user business hours. 1. Open on selected hours. 2. Always open. This setting defaults as per admin setup, which can be changed in the general parameters. See the relevant video section for more information. In the Profile tab, set the user's details including display name, the profile name. Description, profile description. Employee code, your internal employee code. Department, select from the list of departments, which can be managed in the settings area. Line manager, assign the user's line manager for process management. This list is sourced from the user profiles. Assigning groups. In the Groups tab, assign the user to at least one group. For guidance on creating groups, refer to the video in the Group menu. Email configuration. This section is optional. Configure SMTP settings to enable direct email communication within BitAffix. Fill in the SMTP server details and your user email credentials in the username and password fields. Once you've completed the user setup, your new BitAffix user is ready to go. Share the login details with the user and ask them to sign in with the newly created account. Happy BitAffixing!